Alright guys, so here I am again. I'm doing a test with the Tascam DR-40 and I'm using a Audio-Technica P48 cardioid condenser microphone. So I'm running into channel 3 with the handheld microphone, and I'm also recording with the 1 and 2 channels on the XY pattern. Now there is a claim that this device has a helicopter noise when recording with a external microphone. So I just want to test that, and also test the claim that you can also just press the menu button and it'll go away. So since it's a condenser microphone, I do have the fan and power on. I only have the fan and power on at 24 volts as opposed to the 48 volts. Okay, so I'll do a test with 24 volts and I'll do a test with 48 volts, and all the levels are set at 50. Okay, so this is the number 3 microphone. Okay, this is the internal audio. Now I'm in a very, very quiet place, so there shouldn't be a lot of background noise. Let's try it again. Here we go. We're going to listen to see if there is a helicopter sound. Okay. Okay, so there's a test, nice and silent. Now I'm going to press the menu button to see if that will keep it from making the helicopter noise. So now I press menu. It's on the menu setting. I don't know if it's supposed to have audio running both channels. I'm not sure. But I don't know if there's a helicopter noise. Testing, 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 testing. Now I'm going to turn off the menu. Now we're back to the level meter with the seconds ticking down. Testing, 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 testing. And again, menu, testing, testing, testing. Okay, so now I set the fan and power to 48 volts. I wonder if that makes a difference. So we're going to test again. Here we go. Testing, testing, testing. Now I'm going to press menu. Testing, testing, testing. Menu again. Testing, testing, testing. Alright, and one more time. There's a little bit of background noise. Menu again. Testing, testing, testing. So this is at 48 volts of fan and power. So let's see if it made a difference. So other than a little bit of hissing from maybe the fan and power, or just a hissing that you get, some of the floor noise from the recorder, I didn't really hear a helicopter noise on either 48 volts or 24 volts of fan and power. Nothing that would be extremely discerning to me. Maybe the firmware update fixed it. I think it's on version 2.12. And the reason I did the test is because I did have a similar type of helicopter sound happen on a previous recording I made, recording vocals and a ukulele, and there was definitely a helicopter noise on the vocals when I was using the external microphone. But after that I did the update, so I'm not sure if that fixed it, but maybe it did. I'll do another test with the vocalist and the ukulele real soon, and I'll figure it out. But so far, other than a bit of floor noise, I don't think the helicopter noise is as present as other people have claimed it to be. And definitely pressing the menu button made no difference at all whatsoever. So that was my test. Sorry for the long video, but it needed some looking into. Alright guys, thanks.